To the market action, the top movers of the day with Hormaz.
It's been a trend over the last 2 days, right? We've been quiet for most part of the session and then some bit of selling coming in the last 60 to 90 minutes. But the good bit is that we have not seen any capitulation from the higher levels, although there is some selling pressure. But today belong to the block deals and a lot of them took place today. It's been a while since we said that, and all of these stocks, Timken India was the only one that saw positive reaction. That too cooled off significantly from the highs of the day, but still ended 3% higher. PB Fintech, Inox Wind was the worst performer here, 10%, a lower circuit for the stock after that block deal. Concord Biotech and Prudent Corp, which I'm sure Nimesh would talk about more as the show goes by. So all 5 block deals in focus. Now, as a trend, even every time when the broader markets have a bad day, real estate is the one that leads the downside, and that's what happened today as well. Brigade, Sobha, Phoenix Mills, almost all of them seeing losses of anywhere between 3 to 4%, and that profit booking trend was witnessed among the state-owned companies as well. The PSU seeing a bit of a sell-off in today's session. Bharat Dynamics, after a dream run that it has had in the last month or so, seeing some bit of profit booking there, 6% lower. SJVN, the PSU banks also got swept into it. IOB, UCO Bank, and HAL also having a not so good day at the office today. Earnings impacts that continue, the fag end of the earnings season, so plenty of companies coming out with results. Shalby came out with results today, ending at the lowest point of the day. Wrights also came out with results today, 3.5% lower. GMDC, Nalco had opened higher but then gave up all of the gains, as did NMDC, both of them ending 1.5% lower. But there were stocks on an otherwise red day. There were stocks that bucked the trend, and one of them was Glenmark. That continued to grow from strength to strength after yesterday's surge. A good market or bad, Exide continued its merry ways. DOMS Industries, after yesterday's surge, extending those gains. 3M India, the dividend announcement that they made just a few minutes ago of $680, that reflected on the stock price, 10% higher there. And lastly, Divi's Labs among the top gainers on the Nifty after its earnings and management commentary. Back to you.
All right, Hormaz, thanks very much for that. Although, I mean, overall, on the NSE, advanced decline was negative, almost 2.5 to 1. So in favor of declines today, more down than up. Jay Bala is